Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teniola. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching my videos. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Thank you once again. So today we are trying out something different. We're trying out clay with Amla. It's actually the best way, yeah, one of the best way I could wash my hair. After washing it, I realized that wow, this is actually not bad, and the results turned out to be great. So yeah, let me drive it into the video. So yeah, I've mixed the clay and the amla together. Yes, and instead of me using vinegar, I use lime, and instead of lemon, I realized that vinegar and lime actually has a sour feel to them, so it should work alike. And my result was bomb, like bam boom. Am I correct? I think so. If you're new to this channel, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and please let's grow this baby girl. I know I'm not consistent, but I get in there. So yeah, this is it. I'm trying to mix both of them together, and it was creating some lumps at this side, but day in day out, actually had a great result. And the clay washed, as in cleansing the hair, it gave me a great result, and I didn't regret it. So what's the benefit of clay? So clay actually is a mask that actually help the hair. It cleans the hair from dandruff. It removes any impurified toxic properties from the hair. Yeah, from our hair, from our scalp, most especially, and yes, thereby trying to help you treat dandruff. What's the benefit of amla? Amla is actually a root herb for the hair. It actually helps to nourish your hair. It strengthens your hair follicles. It stimulates growth. It transforms the hair. Yeah, and I also think it also fights dandruff, because since I've been using amla, I have no regrets concerning it. And I usually that my hair grew. Yeah, I grew to a certain length, like it's growing by using amla. So yeah, I'm trying to apply the amla on my hair. My hair is actually very, very, very summer. So yeah, it is. I'm trying to. I used to, most time whenever I use my clay, I tend to clean the front part of my hair, the middle, the center, and some particular side of my hair, so that those are the hair sides that sees more realize that it sees more dirt. Yeah, especially when you refuse to wash your hair for a very long time, and dirt actually stays there and resides there. Especially when you use lotion or cleaning cream, hair cream, and you walk under the sun, where there's sand and all that. So that is it. So I clean those particular part of my hair, and to cleanse it and prepare my hair, it's a prep to moisturize the hair, just like when you want to prepare. So that's what I was trying to do. I didn't want to use too much because I've never used lime before, so I didn't want to cause more to my hair than it is at the moment. You can see that I'm battling with my scalp and my front hair, so I don't want it's sprouting. Yeah, it's growing. Glory be to Jesus, it's going, but I didn't want too much damages, so that's why I just did small, and thereby apply the amla and this clay to my hair. Actually, this clay is actually not bad, but I realized that it's not good for my hair at the long run. I've been using it for a year going to 2 now. At the long run, it's not good, but it actually cleans the scalp. It dries, but I think I will just stick with, what's the name of that clay again? Hey, can't remember. I know the clay, my head, but I can't really pronounce it. I'm trying to get the words together. It's not really coming out. So that is it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do subscribe, like, share this video, and say thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and thanks for tuning in to this video. So yeah, I'm still pre-pulling yeah my hair, trying to get ready to apply the max on my hair, and that's it. Massaging your hair actually helps your hair to grow too. Yeah, it grows your hair. It helps you to um stimulates growth. When you massage your hair, it stimulates growth to your hair. You realize that it changes the way it sees your hair at a point. So yeah, I am trying to apply the max onto my hair. I think I made a wrong approach here. No, yeah, I attempted a wrong approach here. I was supposed to, though my hair feels wet because of the lamp I added to it, but not that wet. But I didn't want too much water on my hair, so I just applied the mask directly to my hair without applying water first. And you can see that it actually came out not bad, because my hair is actually a little bit wet. So in case you're trying this method, you should actually spray in some water before you apply the mask to your hair. Yes, I think I made a mistake there. Most time I use vinegar, so I have applied the vinegar around my hair, but because I'm trying not to harm my hair, because I'm trying lime for the first time, I was just being careful. So that is it. So if you want to try this, please kindly do. You can actually, it works. It's not bad. It's potent. It gives your hair a cleansing feeling, and it actually grows your hair at the same time. Imagine using clay and amla together to grow your hair. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much for tuning in. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Okay, so I also added to my face, like I used as a cleansing mask to my face, and not bad. It just no result, just not for me to waste it, and that's all. Just kindly do subscribe, share, like, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.